Assalamu alaikum. I am Rashid. Hope you are very well. Today I am talking about 6 visiting places in Agartala. Let's start. Well, Agartala is the capital city of Tripura. Number 1. Ujjanta Palace. The palace is one of the main places to visit in Agartala. The royal palace is located at the core of Agartala. This palace was built in the year 1901. The main attraction of the palace is the magnificent tile floors and lovely doors. Rabindranath Tagore was the regular visitor of this palace, and Ujjanta was the title given by him. There are public halls, darbars, and library in the palace. Until 2011, this palace served as the meeting place for the Agartala Legislative Assembly. But now this place is mainly used as a museum and tourist place of Agartala. Number 2. Unakoti. A famous pilgrimage site and one of the best places to see in Agartala. Unakoti draws thousands of devotees from all over the world, putting up Tripura high on the travel charts. Unakoti displays the heritage of India in form of the beautiful sculptures of gods out of rock carvings surrounded by nature's lush beauty. Unakoti happens to be one of those tourist places in Agartala that is of almost spiritual and religious significance. Number 3. Heritage Park. Heritage Park is one of the best parks in the entire state and hence one of the best places to visit in Agartala. It was opened to the common public in the year 2012. The park got its name for representing the heritage of the entire state, and it features small designs of all the famous monuments of state like Rajbari, Nirmala Palace, Unakoti, Ujjanta Palace, and etc. Being the largest park in the city, one can spend some spending time along with learning about the history of Tripura. You can also develop learning about the indigenous trees and flora and fauna of Tripura. Number 4. Nirmahal Palace. The surrounding lakes and lawns add more beauty to this palace. Spending an evening here can be mesmerizing as you can be a part of the sound and light show that is organized here. The show helps people discover the culture heritage of both the palace and its owners. The lakes that surround the palace have various types of sport activities. Most people come here to take part in the boat race. This beautiful palace is the perfect amalgamation of Hindu and museum architecture. The construction mainly features sandstone and marble. The palace is divided into two parts. One is the Andar Mahal and the other part is the open air theatre. Number 5. Haveli Museum. Haveli Museum is a famous museum in Agartala. It came into existence in the year 2012 and is the place where visitors can find the ancient coins, sculptures, inscriptions, etc. The gallery of this museum displays all the artifacts that were found during the excavations. Haveli Museum of Agartala is a famous site of interest and is visited by tourists on a large scale. There is no specific season for paying a casual visit to this museum. It welcomes the guests throughout the year. Thus, it can be easily reached during any time of the year. Number 6. Safai Jala Wildlife Sanctuary. Safai Jala Wildlife Sanctuary, 28 km from Agartala, is the biodiversity heaven of Tripura with an area of 18 km. The Safai Jala Biocomplex came into existence in 1972 with additions of a botanical garden, a deer park, and a zoo. The biocomplex was subsequently attributed the status of Safai Jala Wildlife Sanctuary is early 1987. The sanctuary has approximately 456 plant species, many kinds of bamboos, and a variety of grasses and medical plants. Deciduous forest is the habitats of different species of primates. That's all.